Never trade respect for attention. Respect is a very key thing in life. Don't trade it for attention. That's what the quote is telling us. And what does it mean? Attention is driven at fame. Most of the time, people try to look for way they can seek attention, maybe from their lovers, maybe politicians, from the voters, or voters to politicians. But this quote is telling us that don't sell out respect so that you get attention. Don't do something that will make you famous, but at the end, you become shameful. It will shame your name. For example, don't make very empty promises. There are politicians who can promise that I will build a hospital, I will stop certain diseases, I will buy ambulances, I will make sure that you won't get rich. Such a kind of empty promises or solemn promises. You are just trading your respect away for seeking attention, for seeking the vote. At the end of it all, nobody will respect you because you will have lied. 32 years down the road, you become a perfect liar, and therefore nobody will respect you because you may have the money, you may have everything that you have acquired, but you will have no respect for you. Thank you very much. My name is ℕ𝕖𝕧𝕖𝕣. Subscribe to this channel, follow on Pinterest and Facebook, check the website ℸ𝕖𝕧𝕖𝕣 and like, share and comment. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Hi folks, on my right hand side is a subscribe button. Please hit it and subscribe. Then on the left hand side down is the latest videos, and then up is a video recommended for you. Please thank you for watching this channel. Down on the link there is the website www.ℸ𝕖𝕧𝕖𝕣.site.